Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Into this video, we're going to install and make these doors here, and this one is also a window. So this particular door and window is made up of steel, and also this glass replacement that I use in here are polycarbonate. So it's a plastic. So the good thing about this polycarbonate sheet using as a covering or as a replacement for glass is that this one is very light, and also it's very cheap. For a one panel you can buy it for 1,300 pesos, but then if you're going to do it in glass, then it would cost you about 12,000 to 13,000. So in this case I just use this polycarbonate because I want it to be cheap and light. It would be also safer because when it's this kind of size and you have a lot of kids running around, and then maybe they are going to pick some stones and then they're going to throw it into this, so it may break. So that's why I use polycarbonate here. Hi, my name is Efren. I'm a designer, architect, and I also love building DIY projects. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video if you like this build. So now, let me show you how I build this. Yeah, so good day everyone. Last week, I actually made a poll in my YouTube channel, and I asked everyone if is it okay for me to speak in Tagalog or in English. 60% of you answered that I should speak in Tagalog, and 40% only says in English. So I think I'm going to speak in both language na lang. But then in this particular video, I'm going to speak in Tagalog. And if you want me to go back into English, just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so kagaya ng ibang project na ginawa natin, simulan na natin sapagkat iba't ibang parts na gagamitin natin para sa framing. So first, gagawin ko yung doors. So in this case, yung corner na gagawin ko dito is i-miter ko yung connection kasi ayaw ko nang may butas yung duluhan. So before ko siya i-full weld lahat na para maging solid talaga is i-fit ko muna sa opening ng door. At pagkatapos niya mag-fit na walang problema, then pupunta naman tayo sa pag-fit or pag-fabricate ng framing ng windows. So sa build na ito, dalawa yung windows na gagawin ko. So same framing, same material. So yung ginamit ko na material dito is a square tube, 1 inch by 1 inch by 1.2 mm. So yan yung materials na ginamit ko. And so isang problema dito is that dahil manipis yung bakal na ginamit ko dito, pag nagwe-weld ako is madali siyang mabutas. So yung ginagawa kong pagwe-welding is spot lang para hindi siya mabutas, and then I'm using a 2.5 mm welding rod. So sa tingin ko okay naman. So pagkatapos na mag-fit yung door frame and window frame dun sa actual opening, prepare ko na ito para malinisan kasi hindi naman tayo professional welder kaya hindi siya gaano kaganda. So nilinis ko ito gamit ang aking angle grinder and flap disc. And also pagkatapos dito prepare ko na rin ito para mapinturahan. So yung palang mga ginamit ko na hinges dito are yung ordinary hinge lang kasi simple naman yung pag-open nito, swing lang naman siya. So ito yung overall look ng framing. Wala pa yung polycarbonate na cover, so ngayon ikakat ko na yung polycarbonate na cover. So uunahin ko yung pinakamalaking cut. So ito yung polycarbonate na gagamitin ko for the door and also for the window. So in this case, ginagamit ko yung angle grinder ko na pang cutting. Ginamit ko dito na blade is just for metal, because the cutting this for metal is also can be used for plastic. So this is the biggest panel for the whole build, because the size of the door is around 1.2 meters to 2.4. So isang panel talaga siya, pero yung problema ko dito is yung materials or yung panel na polycarbonate, yung overall height niya is medyo mahaba, so yun yung kinat ko na sumobra. Pagkatapos ko siyang nakat, tinest ko muna at ginamitan ko ng tack screw para ikabit siya sa framing, para makita kung may sumobra ba or kailangan bang putulan or may kailangan bang i-adjust. Pagkatapos ko siyang ma-check na okay naman, nagsiswing naman siya ng maayos, prepare ko na yung ibang ikakat ko pa na polycarbonate. So in this case, ikakat ko naman yung ibang parts for the window. Yung width ng window ko dito is around 45 centimeters. But then the height is floor to ceiling, so it's around 2.4 meters. So this is the back portion of the whole structure. So yung idea ko dito, bakit ko ginawang floor to ceiling yung height ng window ko from the back side and also in the front side, is that pag nakaupo, mahagip ka ng hangin pag may hangin na dumaan sa bintana. And also yung natural na flow ng hot air is going up. So dahil floor to ceiling yung window na ginamit ko dito, is that yung nasa taas or yung nasa ceiling na namuong init is mahagip ng hangin, kasi abot ceiling yung window na ginawa ko dito. So ito na yung finished framing na napinturahan na. So pininturahan ko ito ng epoxy primer red oxide, and then top coat ko dito is just an enamel black. So pagkatapos ko mapinturahan lahat ng framing, is that kinabit ko na ulit yung mga panels. So yung ginamit ko na pang screw sa mga polycarbonate papunta sa framing na metal is tack screw, kasi kalimitan na ginagamit din itong polycarbonate for roofing, kaya disinfastener na lang yung ginamit ko para madali, kasi malaki din yung ulo ng tack screw para hindi masira yung polycarbonate. So after na ma-fix ko yung lahat na polycarbonate, ito na yung pinaka finished product. So pag tinignan mo sa malayo, parang glass talaga siya. So para siyang glass na may guhit na pa vertical. But then kung lalapitan mo at i-touch mo siya, doon mo makikita or doon mo matutuklasan na plastic pala. Yeah, I think dito na magtatapos yung video natin. And thank you for watching. You're watching DIY Architects.